Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use VPN on mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use a VPN on your mobile, all you gotta do is simply download a VPN first. So you can open your Play Store or App Store and get one VPN. Once you have downloaded the VPN as well, then you can simply get the app open and log in into your account by typing in your credentials. You need to simply tap on open and get logged in into this account. After getting logged in into your account, all you got to do is simply be in the home page of that particular app. Once you have simply done that, you need to simply select the server location. After simply doing this, you need to select from different kind of servers, and now you can simply tap on the connection request. After you have given the connection request, you will be given or add to see, and now once you have completed that add, it will be automatically connected to that particular server. So this way you can use your VPN on mobile, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.